Hello guys, today I want to show you my Brahma chickens, my Brahma family. As you see, I have here one variation of color, because Brahma have many color variation. This is the most known in the world, this with white and black. In my language this is Brahma Hash Day, Herminat, open Herminat. I have 3 chickens and one rooster, 3 hen. All these birds are from the last year. These birds have around almost 1 year, 11 months, 1 year, something like that. Here are 2 different lines. Inside is the shelter. This is the space for them. I have separate in the other part there. It's silky chickens, the fluffy ones. I will show you in the next video the others, but today I want to show you this is my shelter for them. Also they can go outside, all in the garden. They can walk where they want, but in this moment are here because I want to show you these chickens. This rooster is huge, it's very tall. Also the chickens are. This is the king of the chicken, the largest. Brahma and Kokinkina, huge Kokinkina, because also Brahma can be small or this one bigger, like how you see in this video. Also are many variation of color, like black, Columbia, Herminat open, Herminat dark, Isabel, and more types like this. Inside the shelter it's like this. There is the nest. I put that tire from my car. It's an old tire, but it's perfect for them. But if you see, this chicken want to make an egg. From these 3 girls, every day I take 1 or 2 eggs. All 3 are start eggs, but not every day 3 eggs, 1, 2, depends. I like because they are very calm and gentle. They don't afraid, not like the other chickens to start to scream, to run, to jump. Not. Brahma are one of the coolest chicken in the world because of the temperament. It's very good. Hey, how are you? So these are my chickens. I want to buy another girl to have 4, because the rooster is very good. He is doing his job every day, not just to scream, to sing, also to make a future baby with these girls. This is the food mixed with cereals and some specialty. Also here it's with different seeds. This rooster is very nice and gentle. Every day when I leave them outside, they come with me in the garden. They follow me like a dogs. Like dog, you see here I have one of my dog. This is Cindy. This girl have almost almost, yeah, have almost 10 years, 9 and something, 9 and a few months. Cindy, hi. This is my girl. I adopt this from the street when was around 1 month old. Okay, you see now the chicken are out. Here was grass before, but now it's nothing because of them. They eat everything. Soon will be spring and the grass will start to grow again, but you see small this, but they eat every day more and more until it's nothing here. But it's winter, no grass to grow in this moment. Come on, girls. Yeah, they can go where they want, in the front of the house, in the back, in the garden, everywhere. And I let them just single. Few weeks ago I let them with the other girls, with the other birds, but now I stopped to mix them because I start to have eggs from them, and I will put to the incubators, and maybe soon we'll have some mama chickens with eggs to start to grow their own babies to have. But in this moment no, because it's also in winter and it's very cold outside. Today it's sunny, it's a little bit warm, it's good now, but not every day is like this. Yeah, this is Cindy. I have 4 dogs. I will show you maybe in the next videos. This girl is adopted, as I said before. I have this for more than 9 years. I found this girl 9 years ago in front of my house. Someone threw, I believe, was almost Christmas time, and now it's here. It's a good girl. It's a girl. Yeah, you see the Brahma. They want to go in the front of the house because there it's more grass, and they will go there. Yeah, soon in the spring I will put another seeds in the ground, and I will give them water to start to grow more, and I believe I will stop to let them out. They will stay here more time because I want to grow new grass to have for them. Yeah, they go. Also here I have birds, and also these birds can go out, but not together. Few hours every day this Brahma will go from this part, and the other birds from there. I have a small door to go outside. Here I have also peacocks, but I'll show you in the next video. If you want to see my next video, please subscribe. Also I have pigeons, many pigeons. I have curly pigeons. There I have I don't know in English, I believe it's head of mower, cap de mower, head of mower, this called of the birds. Also fancy pigeon in the last aviary, in the last loft. They are separate, everyone. I have more. Check my videos, subscribe my channel, give me a like if you want, a comment, and see you next time. Ciao.